Welcome back to this new video tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a line chart in Google Sheets. Here in the screen, you can see a already built line chart. I will show you from the step-by-step process how to create this chart. So let me delete this chart from here. Then here I have only the data. This data is the month-wise sales of television in the year 2023 sold by ABC Electronic Stores, and I'm going to create a line chart here to visualize this month-wise sales. So to do this, first of all, select your data, then click on the Insert tab, then click on the Chart option. This opens the chart editor here. In the setup category, you can choose what kind of chart you want to create. To create a line chart, you have to select the chart type from here. So click on the drop down, then here you have different chart style. You have to choose this line chart option. Now this creates a basic line chart here. Now to customize this chart, you have to click on the customize category. Then here you have different customization topics. First is the chart style. So expand this by clicking on this arrow. Then here you can set up the background color for the chart. Click on this, then choose the color that you want in the background. The next is the font option. From here you can change the font of the chart. Here I'm going to take this font, which changes the font here. The next is the chart border color. In the border color of the chart, I'm going to take this blue color. Then here scroll down, you have more options to customize. In the chart and axis title, you can set up the chart title and axis title. So expand this category. And here in the title text, I'm going to give the title as month-wide sales of television in 2023. This is the chart title. In this you can set up the font for the chart title, and here you can set up the size. Here I'm going to place the title at the center position by selecting this center alignment. I'll click on bold, and here in the color I'll take the black color. So this is changed here. Now scroll down. Here in the series, you can now change the you can now customize this line. So here in the line color, I am going to take this color. Here you see in the line opacity, you can change the transparency. Here if I take 50%, then here you see the line is given in dim color. If I take here 100%, the line is in dark color. Here you can change the type of the line. If I take the dashes, here you see the line is changed. In the line thickness, you can select the width of the line this way. Here I'm going to take this 2 pixel. Now in the point size, you can change it by selecting these options. Here the points will be given. The shape of the point you can select from here. Different shape can be taken. Let's scroll down, and here you have the option to show the legend. This is more suitable if you are going to create a pie chart. In case of the line chart, this is not very important. Let's go down in the horizontal axis. Here you can customize the axis values, like the font can be changed from here, the format of the text can be changed from here, like bold and italic. The color can be changed from here. Here I'm going to take this color, and you see the x-axis or the horizontal axis color is changed. Similarly, here you have another option for customizing the vertical axis. So click on this. Then here also you can do the customization as we did here in the horizontal axis. Let me change the color to this, and let's make it bold. Here you see the vertical axis is customized. Let's scroll down, and here you have the grid line and tick option. From this you can enable or disable the grid lines in the chart. If you disable this, here you see the grid line is removed. If you enable this, like the major grid lines or the minor grid lines, you can enable. By selecting these options, you can enable or disable the grid lines. Now if you want to add the data label here, if you want to show the value here in every single points, then you can scroll up, then expand the series option, scroll down, and here you have an option to show the data label. So click on this data label. This opens data label customization fields. Here in the position, you can change the position of the data label. Here it is given as automatic. If you select below, then the data label goes below the point. If you select above, then the data label goes above the point. Here you can change the font and font size of the data label. If you want to make it bold, click on the bold option. Similarly, if you want to change the text color for data label, you can change it from here. Now after doing the customization to the chart, then you can close the chart editor, then resize this chart by clicking on the chart. Now by using these controls, you can increase the width of the chart. From here you can increase or decrease the height also, this way. Then click on the chart, then drag it to adjust the position. Now the line chart is created. So this is the process of creating the line chart in Google Sheets. And this much for today's video. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe and turn on all the notifications so that you will get regular video updates on Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.